Welcome back to Corvette Warehouse. My name is Jason. Today we have a beautiful black 2020 C8 Corvette Z51, and check it out. 1,118 miles, 71,995. It is a Z51 and it is a 3LT. So of course it has basically everything you could get. Beautiful bright red brake calipers on here as opposed to the edge red. But let's check out this interior and then we're gonna do an exterior walk. But I like this interior, man. Lots of carbon fiber edition pieces right here. And of course you have it on the inserts on the seat. This has the GT2 seats right here. This is what I have, very much like them. Lots of microfiber suede Alcantara due to the fact that it is a 3LT, a little bit right there. And this also has the front lift. Let me show you where that is, because this is actually pretty helpful right there. That button right there will lift up the front end, so when you pull into an area where it's a little bit a little bit hard to access, you can lift up. It also has GPS, so it can be programmed to memorize those areas. But check out the ceiling in here, all this red stitch. I think this looks absolutely beautiful. The microfiber suede right here, but this is a beautiful ceiling, but very nice interior, as you know. Of course, the wall of buttons, which I'm going to tell you, as a C7 or C8 owner, C7 and C8 owner, I think it's wonderful. You can reach all your little buttons. They're all right here at your fingertips. Absolutely fantastic. But let's step back out, take a look at the perimeter. Of course, this one has the high wing on it right here. Let's go ahead and come around to the back. You're gonna reach down right here next to the camera, pop that button right there. You're gonna lift this up, and there is your engine bay. Of course, it has the gray intake cover and the carbon fiber you see right there. That is from GM, but look at this very large rear trunk, which is absolutely fantastic. And of course, this is a coupe. And by the way, so you'll pull this off right here. There's a few little latches that need to be released, and it will store in here, and it will not move around. So that is huge. You don't want it sliding around when you're trying to drive. Such a very important thing. Of course, this one has the plastic front splitter. Here's your two front cameras. And let me tell you, those things really matter when you're pulling your car in, because when you're looking over the front, you're up here, you're looking down, it's hard to see. You see all around into here, but you don't see this front edge. You know, you're kind of looking from about here across. It could be tough. I'm not saying you can't do it. Maybe you're a better driver than I am, and I'm okay with that. I actually hit a pole today, but not my Corvette, so that was good. But anyway, it does make a difference. So I would highly recommend use your cameras when you're pulling in, and those are really beneficial. But another beautiful, right here, another beautiful C8 Corvette. So just to show you the difference between the high wing, the Z51 spoiler. So the Z51 you could get with the high wing right here, which is what you see. It's got the 4 points of contact, or they made it also where you could order it with the low wing, with the little spoiler. So of course, still has the 4 points of contact. So if you ever want to switch from this to that, you can do it, and you don't see there's nothing that's left over. Like if you do the ones where it has just the 2 points of contact, you have to have little covers to cover where it fastens on both ends. Just a little bit of information there. But I did switch. It was funny, I ordered mine with the high wing, and for some reason, I guess it was on constraint and they didn't say anything, whatever. I don't remember how it went, but I didn't get it. I ended up getting the spoiler. I ended up switching it to the high wing. It was just a personal preference. Honestly, I like both. I don't really think one's better than the other. I was just doing something different. But anyway, another beautiful car available right now at Corvette Warehouse in Dallas.